Good morning, Rich McKinnon here, coming to you from the beautiful city of Barranquilla, Colombia, home to Shakira. Anyways, I wanted to let you know that I will be speaking live on stage at the MSP Summit in September in Orlando, Florida. I want to make sure everyone comes by so I can let you know personally how to get the best out of your experience there. Time is money, and I want to make sure you get the most for your time. There'll be amazing companies there like Coro, ThreatLiker, LionGuard, and many others. But also, you need to learn to network with your MSP peers. I want to show you how to do that, how to earn money while you come to this event. That is my goal. A little bit about me. I'm 2024 DVBE Veteran Business of the Year for the state of California. I was one of the first companies to receive the Military Order of Purple Heart medallion coin for service to veterans and their families on a national level. We work globally, but what I want to do is show you how to do this for you. So I hope to see you when I'm there. If you see a guy standing in the corner not talking to anyone, you'll know that's not me. Do me a favor, if you want any introductions to any companies or peers, please feel free to come up and let me know. And I look forward to seeing you all in September. Take care.